the Dark Lofts, April 30th, 2024. Just made the other video. We got a little bit more birds in. Get a little bit out, but they're going in, they're going in. So push them a little bit more. Hammy, stand right there so then I'll pass that over there. There we go, one more went in. One more. Like everybody get food when they go in, then they're gonna know it's a good thing. They're looking, they're looking. Looking at the birds, we took some losses. Shut his eyes off, we'll go back. No? There we go. That bird came out. That other bird's looking, so they're going. Right there, that's one of the young ones. There we go. Oh, one. That's the one that was over there.
On the ground.
That's good though. One more in. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna walk that one in. You guys just keep. I can see what is this. This seemed like this was one of our superstar birds. Hammy, you think this is the one that was keep racing? Oh, I see. Oh, there we go. Okay, Hammy, if you move a little bit back, I'm gonna try to push these birds in. One green band. See what happened. Another Deverance right there. Come on, come on. That's the thing, we don't like birds eat and come out. So, Jace, what I like you do, go get the other plate. Go get the other plate so that we can pour the food and I can walk over there. Come on. Come on. Yeah. So I'm gonna turn off this video and, hopefully we can get all the birds in. So the Dark Lofts, one more bird in. The Big Island of Hawaii. Oh, yeah, boom. First day of training.